Good morning, welcome back to another fresh video. I'm super excited today because I'm going on a travel journey. So today, as you all know, I'm going to Velankani. I'm going with my girlfriend's family. So it's going to be a 3-day journey. Yes, I believe it's 3 days. So Christmas will be in Velankani, and I've got my luggage. This is mine and Josia's actually. So she'll be just putting it in the car, and Sanita will be coming. Sunny, it is not Sanita. Sunny will be coming to drop us to the railway station. A train is at 9:30, and so we are like pretty much on time. We don't have to hurry and all. So we'll just collect Josia's mama and all, and then we'll collect breakfast and then we'll move. So here goes our suitcase. So before we leave, we'll take breakfast from here because the food in train is sometimes not good. So while we can, we'll take good food. So I'll take rissoles, croquettes, and some patties. We have reached the railway station, and we'll get all our things out first. So we have reached the platform. The platform number is not yet come. The train is 17315. So we are all here with our bags. So
Show my bag also. My bag.
तुझी आवाज मागीच नाही ऐकू
My bag. My bag.
So we'll wait for them to give us the platform number. So my girlfriend cannot stay without eating. Look how secretively she is eating. I told her that everyone is here and they'll be looking at our faces, but you see how hungry she was. So our train is coming on platform number 3, and everyone you see, most of them from here are living for Velankani only. You see the rush that's living. So there is our train that's coming. So we sat in the train and we already put our bags and some on top. And my girlfriend, she feels hungry all the time, so she is having tea itself.
I'm having tea.
But then you got breakfast also for you.
You have some.
So I think the train has reached somewhere in Dudhsagar, and everyone is planning on sleeping. So is my girl.
I'm awake.
She just asleep because I started recording the video, and even I'm feeling sleepy. Last night I did not sleep only, so maybe I'll wait till Dudhsagar and then I'll also take a nap. What do you say? And you know, one thing is that any food that passes from here, like anyone who passes from here, she feels like eating it. Dharwad peda, samosas, vada pav, anything you tell, she just
You
like
should enjoy the train journey.
she will just listen to the voice
You
and
should
she'll feel
enjoy
like
the train journey. You people in the comment section, please tell me when you'll go for train journey, when you'll do train journeys, what you'll
no one eats like
actually
you.
that's the best thing. That's how you enjoy your train journey.
Never. No.
You should eat everything, chatal butter. That's good. I know it's unhealthy, but it's fine.
It's not
It's good to enjoy.
Bad influence.
I'm enjoying my train journey.
No.
Otherwise, I'll feel bored.
Okay, so this thing will carry on for some time. I'll show you all Dudhsagar also. So there's Dudhsagar on this side. I don't think it's visible from here, but it will come through this window. That time I'll show it to you all properly. Oh yes, we can see it a bit from here. So here's the proper view of Dudhsagar. You know, there is very less water, I think, because of the rains. So we started playing Uno. Reverse, Anaiza. That?
And someone is going to lose the game.
Uno.
Uno.
Dali.
Whoa!
So it's time for lunch now, and I'm having this is chicken biryani. My girl has already started having, so they are also having food down. And we are having chutney, pickle and pulao. So we'll have this now, and probably after that I'll go to sleep.
And now we are having mishti doi with sugar, but I cannot see any sugar.
So finally we managed to get sugar.
So
And
let me mix it.
she was waiting for that. I had it without sugar only.
Yeah, and he was continuously having it. So I told him to stop, let's put sugar and then we can enjoy it together.
She got scared that I'll finish the entire thing.
Yeah, look at his size, it's so big and he wanted to finish it on his own. Let me make. Sunset and Mahashiv is sleeping over there. And now we are having bale. And we are enjoying the view.
2,000 years later.
Finally, Kumbhakaran is out from his hibernation mode. Hello, I'm under the water. आणि निघवा जायचं का हा किती वाट निघाल जाणतो दिसा गेला तू काढका उठा
So right now we have reached Arsikeri, and we thought that we'll take something to eat, but there's nothing around. There's just one shop over here. So my girl is also waiting somewhere here near the door only. Actually we thought that we'll buy something for dinner, but there's nothing. So here she is. So we'll go and sit back at our seats. So we got idli, and this is mendu vada. So and this is chutney. We finished one plate of idli and we are having the second one. We are meaning this girl is only having the second one.
this is not my idli, this is my mother. She gave because she cannot have it.
No, she ate so many things. She ate bale and all. It's him. They both, instead of making me up, they both ate bale.
He was living in Kumbhakaran.
That is not the thing.
So how can he take you up? That was 2 kilometers.
Secretively they had bale and all without giving
Go and
me.
enjoy that.
And now you see our Camp City, she is eating one more idli also. Cookies also there. You see how they are teasing me now.
A few minutes later.
Back with the series of eating. My girl is also having, and auntie is also having bread. There's Anaiza also. So sitting in the train, we have not done much. We are just eating and sleeping, eating and sleeping. That's the routine that's going on. We are expected to reach tomorrow, I think afternoon, and now also we'll have this and go to sleep. So I think I'll directly meet you all tomorrow morning. But before that, this eating machine will never stop. I'll tell you, even when I slept, she ate so much. I tell you, anything, anything that just passes by here, she'll finish. She wants everything. She cannot give rest to her mouth. If she gives rest, she needs to sleep. Otherwise, there's no rest to leave to her mouth.
What else can I do? I'm traveling. I told earlier also. I'm traveling, so I need to talk.
So right now we are preparing to go to sleep. Auntie is almost asleep. Anaiza is almost fast asleep. My baby girl is going to sleep now. So we'll go to sleep now, and we'll wake up. I'll wake up somewhere around 11 o'clock tomorrow. We'll be reaching at 12 o'clock. So I don't have anything much to do. I've edited the video also. So I'll take a nap. I'll not end the video right now. I'll end it tomorrow once we reach Velankani. So after we reach Velankani, all the exploring and all will be a second video. So the time right now is 8:31 and we have reached Trichuri Pali, and we have come to brush our teeth. So we want some breakfast also, but let's see how it goes. There's so much noise at the station. Okay, so we'll look for breakfast. We'll brush our teeth first and then we'll look for breakfast. So everyone is inside. We'll see what's there to eat and then when it's coming, and then we'll have. Or else we'll order something online only.
And he's having samosa and I'm done having my share of samosa as always. Taste.
I was just about to start, but my girl finished hers. So
But you took my share also. You tasted from my share.
Only this one.
No, you tasted from my share also. And now he wants to have that one samosa alone without giving me one bite. See how he's enjoying. Can I get a bite?
No.
Please.
Ice apple.
So we have reached Velankani and we took all our stuff down. I think yeah, 12:30. The train is delayed. I think like 5-10 minutes, not much. So there are all our stuff down also. We'll take that. And first we are planning that we'll go to have something and then we'll directly check into our rooms. So we finally reached Velankani and we have a long way to walk. So you see the amount of rush that's here. And you know, since we were in the train the whole time, it's becoming very difficult to face the sunlight, and my sunscreen and all, everything is inside. This one found a pallu. Sorry. So we reached the main exit and here's everyone. Everyone is pretty much tired and we just want to eat something and go and crash directly on the bed. So we'll see if there's a rickshaw or something from here. But before that we need to check how far is our hotel also from here. So I'll just check that first. Oi. So we found a rickshaw and he will be taking us to the hotel. The hotel name is GM Hotel and it's right near the beach. I'm not sure how much you all can hear also because of all the rickshaw sound and all. So this is the rickshaw and we'll mount all our things, we'll put it in. So finally our rickshaw ride starts and here we are all sitting. I think our stay is right besides the beach only. So we are still moving on to our hotel, maybe another 4-5 minutes. It is showing 70 meters more to our hotel. We have reached our hotel and they are removing everything down. So the name of our hotel where we are staying is GM Residency. And he had sent photos and all and we found it really decent. So we thought that we'll stay here only. And the best part is that it is just near the beach. So here, this is the beach entire one. So finally we entered our room. And this is what our room looks like. So my girl wants to see the view from the room. Oh, we can see the beach as well on both the sides. Overall, I would say this is a pretty good room. And for the price also, it's a good room. So we'll just rest for some time. Maybe we'll have bath. I'm not sure. But after that, we'll go to have food. There are a lot of things nearby, and this room is just 5-10 minutes from this main church. So we'll just unpack and freshen up and then we'll move from here. So I think I'll keep the video short up till here. 1 minute. So we'll just make it a video from the travel from Goa to Velankani. The second part will be of the day will be for the second video. So I'll finish the video here. If you have liked the video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye. So bye.